Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the unboxing and the installation of the WeatherTech Stump Bep. Welcome to another episode of How To with Paul Henderson. Today's episode is going to be the unboxing and the installation of the WeatherTech Step Bump XL. And this is it, right here. It's a pretty cool little unit. What it does is you install it to your 2-inch trailer hitch, and you can use it as a step to step up into the back of your truck, or if you're backing up and you bump into something, it'll protect the back of your truck. That's why it's called a bump step. I will be installing the WeatherTech Bump Step XL on my brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition. It's a V8 5.3 liter Ecotec 3 engine. I just got it, it'll be two weeks ago, this Wednesday. Today's Monday. I love it. It's a lot bigger than my other truck. So let's get to the installation part. Oh yeah, check this out. Sweet. First we gotta do the unboxing. Okay, that must be there's a catalog, invoice, instructions, and yes, I need a pair of scissors. Damn it. Have some right here. I won't be using this because I have a locking pin. And the WeatherTech Bump Step XL is, I believe it's 24 inches, 23 and a half. So installation's really easy. Too easy to have made this video, but gotta make one. So in order to use the Step Bump XL, you need a 2-inch hitch receiver, which I have right here. I am going to remove the locking pin that I have on here. Now this is the best thing to use. It locks in place. That way no one can steal it. And I think this is like 10 bucks at AutoZone. I'm not too sure. Here's the Step Bump Step Bump XL. Right in there. That's it. Now for a small demonstration. Now what's really cool about this 24-inch step bump, to get in and out of the truck, is a piece of cake. Just put either foot up there. No problems. And then to get in the back of the truck, just do this. To get out of the truck, bam. And then another nice cool feature is that you can sit on it. If you're backing up and you back into something, you'll hit this first. Now it is recommended that if you bump this thing pretty hard, I believe it's over 5 miles an hour, maybe up to 10. It's recommended that you replace it because it will damage the plastic that it's made out of. I believe it's a high density compressed plastic, so it will give a little bit. So I mean, you can do some little bumps here and there up to 5 miles an hour, but if it gets a decent impact, go ahead and replace it. It's like 120 bucks. It was well worth it. I had used my other one probably quite a few times. I bumped into a brick wall, a yellow pole, and if it wasn't for that, I would have damaged my bumper. So that's it. Well, that's a wrap up on another how-to video with Paul Henderson. This one was the unboxing, the installation, and a small demonstration of the WeatherTech Step Bump XL. It's a pretty cool little unit. It's 24 inches wide, 3.5 inches tall. It'll withstand 300 pounds of weight. My other one was a 12-inch version. This one's a 24. So now you have twice as much stepping area and protection against bumping against a wall or another car. Or if a car bumps into you in a parking lot, if their car's low enough, it should protect your bumper. So that's it. If you like this video, hit like, hit the subscribe button, and you'll get notifications as new videos come out.